Hi everyone, welcome to Kvlogs-USA. This is an introduction video, and in this video I'm going to say where I'm in USA and what I'm going to show in this YouTube channel. Currently I'm pursuing my masters at Wright State University, which is located in Dayton, Ohio. In this YouTube channel I'm going to post videos on my experience living as an international student in the USA and also some videos on productivity, study tips. And if you have any other suggestions, you can also comment down in the comment box below. Also, if you are a student who is coming to Wright State in the fall and if you have any queries or any questions about it, you can also comment down in the comment section below. And also I have posted my Instagram ID. You can also DM me over there, and I will be posting more funny and interesting videos ahead. So please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, so whenever I post a video you'll get the notification of it, so you never miss out on anything. That's it for today's vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.